We have the first cube made. Now we need to create the second shape, which is the double size cube, or cuboid shape here, which would be 30 by 60 by 30, with two holes cut through it here and down through the middle as well. So again, open up a new design by clicking on the plus, click on the create sketch tool again, and click on the base work plane again. Use the rectangle tool as before, and this time drag out the rectangular shape of the cuboid shape and put in the measurements, which are 30. Press the tab button and go to the other dimension and type in 60. And finish the sketch. Finish the sketch here and click on extrude. Tilt it back a little bit using the manipulator tool over here and pull it up to 30. So you've now got that cuboid shape. Now you want to make two holes here and two holes here. So again, create the sketch, click on the front face of the cuboid. Now you have to work out where to put these two circles. Multiple ways of doing this, but the easiest way is to simply draw a line from here down to where the middle is, which says here, because that little triangle appears, remember? Click on that, go up to this corner again and drag another line down. Now what I would do is click on that line, right click, so you get these different options, and choose construction. So you get this dashed blue line. That simply means it no longer affects the original sketch, or the sketch you're about to create on top of that. It's just a construction line that helps you draw other sketches. So click on the circle tool and move along this line now until you find the center of it. Again, look for the blue triangle that appears, that tells you it's the center. 12 mil again, like before. Same over here. And finish the sketch. Tilt it back. Click on the extrude tool. This time click on both circles and drag down. Again, looking for cut, and make sure the distance is bigger than the 30 mil from here to here. Click OK, and you got this. Then click on create sketch again, and this time choose this side and do the same again. So again, there's other ways of doing this, but I find this is the quickest way, just to draw two lines from the corner to the center of this edge. Click escape, select that line, right click, construction line, right click on your mouse, construction line. So you can see they're both dashed lines. Click on the circle tool, find the center, 12 mil. You can start to use shortcuts. Pressing C on the keyboard will give you a circle. Pressing L will give you lines, and so on. We'll come back to that at another time. So extrude, cut, click OK. And that is the double cuboid shape. Okay. So save that, call it cuboid, or double cube, whatever you want, and save it. Remember, it's important to give your files names that you will remember, it's easy to locate and easy to see. Don't give them silly names.